If you want to know the best way to make at least $500 every single day, then this video is for you. Watch this video carefully until the end to know everything step by step. Stay tuned to learn more. Alright, here we are on the landing page where you should be right now. But watching this video won't help you because you need to take action on every single step that is told to you in this video. Because this video is divided into actionable steps that you all need to follow along with me in order to make the strategy work for you. So as always, I am not wasting your time and I'm telling you to go over to this first website, which is called Kartra's affiliate program. You can just go over to Google and type in Kartra's affiliate program, or more better, you can just go over to the description of this video and just find the link in front of which it says Kartra's affiliate program recruitment link. So you just need to click over to that link and you'll be able to come over where it says where I am right now, where I am currently. So this is the page, this is the landing page where you need to come over to in order to make the strategy work for you. So what this thing or what this platform actually is. So this is Kartra, and Kartra is a ClickFunnels rival, and the reason that I am telling you to just go through the link in the description box, because this Kartra has a recruitment process and this doesn't want any sort of newbie affiliates to promote it. So it will just ask you some simple random questions about how you are gonna promote it while you will be signing up to this platform, to this affiliate program. So you can just honestly answer all of those questions and you will be able to just get into their affiliate program. But it will be way more easier if you go over to this platform, to this landing page, through the link in the description box down below, so that it will be way more easier. So that's just for you. Now what Kartra is. Kartra is a ClickFunnels rival, or you can say it's simply like ClickFunnels, which helps you to create landing pages, but it's way more than that. It has a slightly different audience. It has an audience which wants to create real businesses online. So it is a type of tool which helps you to create businesses online, and it is sort of a business builder in a box which helps you to create business online. So how much does this platform pays? So you can just scroll, or simply just scroll down and you'll be able to see where it says join our affiliate partner program, or simply join our partner program, where it says affiliate gets paid 40% of every sale and recurring payment. So you get 40% recurring payment every single month. And Kartra is not a cheap tool, my brother. Kartra is an expensive tool, way more expensive than ClickFunnels. I'll show you that how much Kartra costs in a while, but for now let's keep going. So if you just scroll down, you'll be able to see where it says affiliate sign up. Just click over right over here and you'll be able to sign up to this platform's affiliate program. So now let me show you that how much does Kartra actually cost. Alright, so here we are on the second page of Kartra. But right before I show you the pricing plans of Kartra and what this website / tool has to offer us, first let me tell you that you should be the biggest fan of the product you're promoting. Because I generally believe that if you're not satisfied with the product you're promoting, it makes no sense to promote it, right? And I think that you should try Kartra for once, and if you don't like it, you can cancel your plans. You can use the link in the description box down below to buy Kartra. But for now, let's keep going with this video and let me show you that what Kartra has to offer us on what price. So if you just scroll down, you'll be able to see that there is a 14-day free trial that you can opt for from the link in the description box down below. But for now, let's see what Kartra has to offer. So there are basically 4 plans, and the first one is called the starter plan. So the starter plan has a lot of things to offer us, and if you want to see what it has to offer you, you can see it by clicking the link in the description box down below, and it will directly take you to this page. But for now, let me tell you that how much does this Kartra plan cost. So this Kartra plan costs around $99 per month, and annual billing saves around $240. Now let's go down and let's see what silver plan has to offer us. So silver plan has a lot of things to offer us, and it too has a monthly payment or monthly subscription fees of $199, and annual billing saves around $600. So the gold plan has to offer us a lot of things too, but this plan costs about $299 per month, and in this case annual billing saves us around $840. So the last plan, which is called the platinum plan, which is the highest paid plan ever made on Kartra, costs around $499 per month, and it saves around $1,440 to be exact per year when you pay annually. So that's what Kartra has to offer us on a certain price. So that's for this step, but first let me tell you that this is a great way to make some extra cash online. I mean a lot of money online, a decent amount. But in case if you're wondering that what do I do for a living, and I know that you are curious, so just to satisfy your curiosity, just click the first link in the description box down below, and it will take you to a free web class which will teach you that what do I do for full-time living, and you can do it too by clicking the first link in the description box down below. And now let's go over to the next step, which is getting traffic to our affiliate links, which will help us make a lot of money. But if you want the bonus that is at the end of this video, you need to stick till the end, till the last step, and that way you'll help me to grow my channel faster and give me a lot of watch time. Thank you for your motivation, or thank you for your help in growing my channel. And if something went wrong through this video, I beg your pardon, because I am just initially starting my YouTube channel with these videos, so I beg your pardon. Now let's go over to fourth step. Alright, so this is a very simple, sweet and short step that you all need to follow in order to get traffic. So in this step, all you need to do is to just go over to Google and type in Kartra review. Just type that in to the search bar and hit search, and you'll be able to come across many websites that have written review about this keyword about Kartra and are now ranking on the first page of Google. Now it makes sense to go over to these websites that are ranking on these keywords on Kartra review, Kartra's affiliate program. Just go over to these websites, whichever you like. I just chose findfocus.net and came over to this website, and now I am going to copy everything that they have written in their review, and all you need to do is to do the same. Copy their review which they have written, all the text that they have written, just copy it. But in case if you are thinking that you can write similar review by yourself and you will write a better review than what those website has written, you can just have an idea of what you should write in order to rank. So you have two choices. You can write it by yourself, or you can go with the step told by me to you. So just copy that, and I don't think I need to tell you how to copy, because that's a simple work that everyone knows how to do. So just copy that whole article, that whole review written by someone else who is ranking on Google. So just copy that and just go over to the next step, which is going over to this website right over here, which is called articlerewritertool.com. Once again, articlerewritertool.com. You can just go over to Google and simply search for this thing, article rewriter tool, and the first link that appears on the web page, on the search page, just go over and click on that. And just to clear your doubts, every single doubt that you have, just to clear that, I'm telling you that this video is suitable for every single age group. It doesn't matter where you are coming from, you can still do these things, and these methods are worldwide. Just let me know in the comment section down below that where are you coming from, and I'll be glad to know that. So first thing that you need to do after you have landed over to this website is to just go over to the first blank box and just paste your article. The first blank box, if my friend you are blind, you can't see that, it's right over here. Just go over and paste it in that box. And just then, second step, after you have came over to this website, did this first step, the second step that you need to do is to just scroll down, simply scroll down, and then click over where it says I am not a robot, and just simply fill in the captcha that they will ask you to do. Then step number 3, in this step number 4 or whichever step is this, you just need to click where it says rewrite text. Once again, click over where it says rewrite text, and then simply this tool will rewrite every single word of that text that you have just recently pasted in that upper blank box that you must have seen. So in this method, what this tool will do is it will copy and paste every single word's synonym, similar word, it will paste into the result. And you can just simply scroll down and just see where it says results, and here you will be able to see the finished product or the finished article. Now, how to get traffic, how to get people to click on your affiliate link and convert them. So that's in the next step, and let me tell you how to do that. But wait, right before we get into the part where we are actually going to get traffic, I just wanted to quickly introduce you to this step where you need to create a website of yours. But don't worry, it's 100% free, and you just simply need to paste everything that you copied in the previous or the recent step. So here what you need to do is to just go over to Google and search for Google Sites, and it's 100% free. You do not need to pay anything, or there is no type of subscription fee. It's 100% free. So what you need to do is to just go over to Google Sites, or simply go over to Google initially, search over there Google Sites, and just click on the link which is not an ad. And when you do that, you'll be able to land over to this landing page where I am right now. So what you need to do next is to just see a tutorial on YouTube itself. Have a look over that tutorial, because I cannot show how to create a website, because that would be a lengthy tutorial, so I cannot do that, and I don't want my videos to be boring. So you can have a look over those tutorials on YouTube itself. You can search for great tutorials. You can go and search for tutorials of caffeinated blogger. He uploads great tutorials, so you can do that by going over to YouTube itself. YouTube has tons and tons of tutorials related to this topic. So you do not need to worry about how to create a website, because it's 100% free. You can do this on Google Sites itself. Now, in order to rank, I am going to show you how to do that in the next step. Right before we have a deep look into this step, I just wanted to quickly tell you that this step is a paid method. And in case if any of you don't have any sort of capital to invest into this paid method, I want you to quickly leave this video, because this part of the video is not for you. This is for all of them who are willing to invest a little bit, as much as $50 into the software, into this tool, in order to get a lot of return. So what this tool is, and more importantly, how can you reach out to this landing page where I am right now. So in order to reach out to this landing page where I am right now, all you need to do is to just go over to the link in the description box down below. There will be a link which will be saying something like of the Weedly tool, the ranking tool, the Weedly ranking tools. It will be saying something like that. Just click over to that link and you'll be able to come over to this landing page. Now the reason I'm saying you to use the link in the description is because there is a special 75% off coupon code that you can avail, that you can claim in order to get this tool for a 75% off. So what this tool actually does, this tool helps you to rank on any topic of Google in just 3 clicks. Yeah, you heard it right, in just 3 clicks. You do not need any sort of skills, you do not need any sort of SEO knowledge, you do not need any sort of backlinks in order to do that. All you need is just this tool, and you can get this tool through the link in the description box down below. And if you use that link, you would be happy to use that because you will be able to avail that coupon code. And that is the reason I was making you to wait till the last point. And this is something that I think would be beneficial to you, because it would help you to create these simple sites and which will help you to generate affiliate commissions. So I hope that you liked this video, and in case if you did, just give this video a big thumbs up with pressing that red subscribe button with notifications on. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.